How to add rows to a table in Figma. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add rows to a table in Figma, perfect for creating tables in dashboards, forms, or data designs. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on your device. After that, click on search bar and open Figma app. Now open an existing file or create a new one. First, you have to set up your table. If you already have a table built with rectangles and text or using auto layout, great. If not, create your table structure using frames or shapes from each cell. Now to add a new row, you can either duplicate an existing row by selecting it and pressing Ctrl+D. Or if your table is inside an auto layout frame, simply select a row and hit duplicate. It will automatically stack in place. Now edit the contents inside your new row. Double click on the text layers to change names, values, or other info. If you are using auto layout, Figma handles the spacing for you. If not, make sure to align rows evenly by using distribute and alignment tools. To keep everything tidy, group your rows or put them into a frame, especially helpful for larger tables. And that's it. This is how you add rows to a table in Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.